I just heard this one from a little ways away. This one sounded really good, huh? Heck yeah, dude. Is it a ring right on the surface? Some jewelry. There's a screamer. So hard to get shallow targets out of this grass here. It's just thick, man. Come on, maybe that'd be a coin or a ring or something.
It's moving.
What the heck? Is it something big?
Oh. Ooh.
It didn't sound huge.
It feels very smooth.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It feels smooth. Is it a sprinkler head?
It's out.
What?
Lighter.
Oh, it's a Zippo, dude. Oh, epic, dude. Yeah, I haven't seen a Zippo lighter come out of the ground in a long time, man. Crazy, dude. Wow. Apollo? Oh, wow, it's shiny. Crazy, man. Wow, dude.
Moon landing. What the?
Apollo moon landing. Yeah, Apollo 13 or something?
40th anniversary.
Cool, man. Sweet, dude. Heck yeah, man. You found a Zippo. Apollo moon landing. Yeah. Yeah. It was a screamer. It sounded like a coin. I got a target right here. I stabbed my shovel in the ground there. Ruined the tone. I'm in general program, full tones. Just went to 0. I found a couple good targets there. Back there just a few minutes ago. It's deeper. I see some glass in the hole there. There's a lot of glass in this field to begin with anyway. So. Come on, baby. Maybe a nickel or something. It's right next to that glass there. It is a bottle top. And it is a crunchy one too. Boy, way crunchy one. Look at this thing. Or is it a bottle ring? I think it's a bottle top. What the heck, dude? Oh, it's just wasted. It's just falling apart. Right there. Yep. Wine bottle cap. Yep. Make sure I got it all out there. Yeah. Yeah. That one sounded really scratchy to begin with. And then after I stabbed it with my shovel, it really didn't sound good. Can't believe you found our Zippo, man. 40th year anniversary. Oh, that's a screamer here. Mid-tone here. Sounding pretty nice. Scrumptious. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Is it a nickel? Oh boy. Some really dense clay here. Right there. It's a pull tab. Right there. My second pull tab today. We've been digging for quite a few hours. My second pull tab. I'll dig this one out. That sounds scratchy. Oh, this ground is just lovely. This park just has the best soil ever, man. Just beautiful. Soft clay. Glad I didn't dig on the side there. Oh man, what the heck is that? Bottle top. What the heck is that? That is a weird one. What in the hell is that? Some kind of cap. That's an odd one, man. What the heck is that for? What the heck? Oh, it reminds me of something. It reminds me of something. Is it a cap for a... No. I don't think so. No. Just a weird one. Weird one. God, it reminds me of something. Just can't quite place it. I don't know. Weird cap. Weird cap. Junky tone here. I'm gonna dig it out, man. I'm gonna dig it out. All right. You just never freaking know. This one sounds horrible. Come on. Oh, this sounds super bad. This sounds super bad. What the heck we got going on here? Some brass. Some weird shaped target there. That's why it's giving me those weird tones. The Deus too gives you really odd tones when there's an odd shaped target in the hole. Well, thank you for watching.